Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
We should not put our guards down by not wearing mask. The mask should be advisable till the June, July month, because any wave that goes, it takes at least 4 months for that wave to reappear or to disappear, and everything was presented accordingly. And we see as of now our infrastructure is very good for handling any kind of in case we get a fourth wave. Genome sequencing facility, we are getting our commissioned sequencing machine within about another maybe 2 weeks time, whereas Azilo has already installed, but when I asked DHS director, she said it will be commissioned anytime. Now somebody said that the government should give it for a booster dose, they should give freely in government hospitals also. So this whatever was discussed in expert committee, the points would be conveyed to Dr. Borkar, who is the nodal officer for vaccination in DHS, and I think he will take necessary steps. On 27th, I think Honorable Prime Minister is putting a video conferencing with all these states to review COVID situation in the country. With chief ministers of the state. And I think that is the time we will also come to know what is the central government guidelines, new guidelines on the COVID status.